there's a light mounted below my pedal. It's USB, rechargeable, there's no wires. I've got one on each side. Let me show you how I mounted them. They come like this, and they have a little clasp here where I can quick release and pull them out. That would also allow me to mount them perpendicular if I wanted to. So that's the clasp, and it can also adjust for an angle. You can see I can just kind of adjust it a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch that around the pedal bracket. But I had some trouble at first, and I'll just show you the quick way that I did it. It made it a lot easier. Now, you're going to want to have the quick release part of it facing out. So I have to have it this way and not this way. And if you noticed before, the one light was not lined up with the other one, and now I know why, because it's on the other side. And the way I'm going to mount it, it's going to be back here further instead of centered, and I'll show you why. Let me see if I can get some better light in here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this strap and I'm going to put it through here. And the reason I'm starting this way is because now I have something I can grab onto. Because at first I was like, oh, I'm going to have to stretch this, and it's so hard to hold that because it's going to stretch a lot. But if I start here, and I've got my hand on the other side, and I just stretch it and tuck it around there, then I put this hook part. If I try to center it, the hook isn't enough of a hook to hold on. But if I keep it over this ledge here, where it's tending to pull straight back, I feel like it's going to stay on better there. Now, I saw someone else put a zip tie on there to hold it on, and that's probably a good idea if you don't need to take this off. But I'm going to mount this to my V11, and I want to go off-roading, and I don't want this to get damaged while I'm off-roading. I know I can take the light off, but I don't need the bracket to get lost. And then once I've got that on there, I can take the light, and I'm going to mount it with the power button out. Now, there's other brands of lights that use the same mount that have buttons on the ends, the Volcano brand. These were a little cheaper. I got a 4-pack of them. And 2 of them are blue and red, and 2 of them are only red. Let's see if I can get it to, there's a blue-red mode there. So that's how I mounted it. Please like and subscribe if you want to see any more content. Thank you.